Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So let's start off by going into the settings first. So go over to the settings. Now here we need to go almost to the bottom, because the about tablet is at the bottom. Now here we need to go to system update and make sure that we're running the latest version, because an older version can cause your device to create the ghost touches. Basically, a ghost touch is when your device is doing some moves that you didn't do. Let's say it will automatically click for check for updates, and it will do that all the time, or sometimes. It doesn't have to be all the time. So make sure that you're running the latest version of your system, because it can fix the touch bugs. So after that, if you still got the touch bugs, even if you still downloaded the software update, then try removing your case. Let me show you guys why. Basically, every case has those little roundings around here to keep the tablet in place. So I know this case is good because it's made by the Lenovo for the exact tablet. So I know that there's no issues with this one. If you have this one, then you're good to go and use it. But here, those surroundings, the edges can be too long out from the top, and they can basically cover some part of the screen and cause the ghost touches to appear. Now the second one is basically your screen protector, because your screen protector can also cause ghost touches when it's applied incorrectly or it's slightly misaligned. Basically, when you have your screen protector, as you guys can see, you can imagine that there's one here. Actually, there isn't, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Then here it can be misaligned from this side, and let's say it's going up off the edge here. You guys can like put it into your little bezel here. So it will basically just go around the edge here, and it can be misaligned from this side, so you guys can experience the touch problems either from this side or this side because of the screen protector. So try removing it and see if it helps. Now if it didn't, then you guys can try and clean your screen to remove any debris or moisture from it, or the fingerprints. It can also cause ghost touches. So get your microfiber cloth ready. Now let's just give it a few swipes. You don't need to do it hard or fast. You guys can take your time, but I wanted to show you guys. So now when everything is ready and there are still ghost touches, then as a last resort, I recommend you guys going into the settings. Now here, go to general settings. It's almost at the bottom. Now first, back up your data. So enable the backups by Google now and click backup now here to back up the device entirely. Now go to reset options, and here click erase all data, factory reset. Basically, it will delete all of your personal information, your Google accounts, your downloaded apps, and much more. So that's why you need a backup. Now after you click this one, then everything will be deleted, and we can't undo these actions, so make sure that you really backed up your device. So even if the factory reset did not help you, then I recommend you guys heading out to the Lenovo customer service and let them know that there's a problem with your ghost touches appearing, and see what they can do about it. So that'd be it from me. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.